Good day, everybody. For today's lesson, we'll have perfect square and square root.
By the card, the June blows. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the.
Now, let's see which is correct. I have here 3 square equals 6 and 3 square equals 9. The correct one is 3 square equals 9, since square here means 3 times 3 and not 3 times 2. Let us define a perfect square. A perfect square is a product of two equal integers. Say for example, I have integer a. So when you get perfect square, that means a multiplied by a. And that is a square. Now let us list all the perfect square from 1 square until 15 square. So 1 square, that means 1 times 1. It's not 1 times 2, okay? And that is equal to 1. Next, 2 square is 2 times 2, that is 4. 3 square is 3 times 3. Again, that is 3 times 3, which is equivalent to 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. 11 square is 121. 12 square is correct. That is 144. 13 square is 169. 14 square is 196. 15 square is correct. That is 225. Again, this product, which are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, and 225 are what we call a perfect square. Let us have a quick review. So I have here is square root of 9. So this symbol is what you call a radical sign, while this number inside the radical sign is what you call the radicand. Now let us define a square root. So a square root of a number is one that numbers two equal factors. Now let us find the square root of the following. So I have here square root of 16. We get 16 by multiplying equal factor 4 and 4. Therefore, the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Number 2, square root of 64. We get 64 by multiplying 8 times 8. Therefore, square root of 64 is equal to 8. Next, square root of 81. So we get 81 by multiplying 9 times 9. And therefore, our answer here is 9. Number 4, square root of 25. The factor of 25 is 5 and 5. Therefore, Square root of 25 is equal to 5. Lastly, we have square root of 1. So we multiply 1 by 1. Therefore, we get 1. Square root of 1 is equal to 1. What about if we have square root of negative 9? So we have negative sign inside the radicand. And we get negative 9 by multiplying 3 times negative 3. And we know that 3 and negative 3 are not equal factors. Therefore, square root of negative 9 is not real number. Next, what about if we have negative sign outside the radical sign? So we have here the given negative square root of 9. So let's focus on the radicand. We get 9 by multiplying 3 times 3. And we all know that 3 and 3 are equal factor. Therefore, negative square root of 9 is equal to negative 3 since negative sign is outside the radical sign.